Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video. Yeah man trackies, like up the video. Nobody make me have your ask not too much time. Smash the like. Also trackies, if you've yet to subscribe, what you really are waiting? Subscribe to the channel. As well trackies, please also head on over to our Instagram page, that is TXT Track Time, and give us a follow there as well. The link will be in the description. Alright, so trackies, breaking news. Omar Mcleod switches training camps yet again. Yes, trackies, the Olympic champion from 2016, the world champion from 2017, and the world indoor champion from 2016, and also our national record holder in the men's sprint hurdles, Omar Mcleod, joins the flurry of athletes, making a big move for the beginning of the 2024 season. Now, Omar seems to now be coached by Coach Air, which would make this trackies, believe it or not, his seventh, yes, I did not stutter, his seventh coaching partnership since he became professional back in 2015. Now trackies, I tried my best, so you better give me some props and like the video, right? I tried my best to track all of these coaching stints, and I'm gonna give you a rundown of that. So in 2015, when he made the World Championships final and became an Olympic champion in 2016, he was under the tutelage of Rick Case, coach at the Arkansas University, which is also the university that he attended. However, just a year later, he made a coaching switch to Edric Floriel in 2017. However, Edric Floriel moved because of a new coaching role. Thus, Omar Mcleod had to make a change again and decided to move to Florida to be coached by Tony Ross in 2018. So trackies, between 2015 and 2018, that's now 3 coaches. Now trackies, his stint with Tony Ross did not last very long. Yes, that partnership came to an abrupt end in the middle of the 2019 season, where Omar Mcleod joined the Tumbleweed Track Club led by Ron Radar, and he stayed with that club until 2022, which trackies is his longest stint with a particular training group, all of 3 years. After leaving the Tumbleweed Track Club in 2022, he began to be coached by Petros Kipriano, based in Jacksonville, Florida. However, again trackies, that partnership was short-lived because in early 2023, he seemed to be back where he started at the Arkansas University. Now trackies, things were looking up in early 2023 until he surprisingly ended his 2023 season early without even taking part at the Jamaica Senior Championships without any explanation. Well trackies, Omar Mcleod has made a move again, and now he seemed to have linked up with his former training partner at the Tumbleweed Track Club, Britany Anderson, Jamaica's national record holder in the women's 100-meter hurdles, as well as silver medalist from the 2022 World Championships. Now Britany still holds Jamaica's under 20 record as well. Now when she left the Tumbleweed Track Club, she relocated to Europe, where she trains with Coach Air, and now Omar Mcleod has become a part of that training group. Now trackies, I always say, even though y'all don't see me talking about these athletes, I'm seriously always paying attention to every move they make. Now I noticed that he resurfaced on social media with a series of very interesting posts, so I knew something was up. Now trackies, I'm a little upset right now because I swear I grabbed them. I literally downloaded all the posts that Omar Mcleod made. However, I've been digging and searching through my laptop and I cannot find them anywhere. Anyway, from what I remember about the post, he showed a couple book titles and talked about focusing on what's important and not seeking out instant gratification or something along those lines. Trackies, I remember thinking at the time when I saw those books, I definitely have to Google them because I have to find out what those books are about, because I definitely believe he was leaving a few hints. Unfortunately, trackies, I can't find those downloads, and the post no longer exists on Omar Mcleod's Instagram page. But with that said, trackies, this being Omar Mcleod's 7th move kind of adds to the notion that Omar Mcleod is a rolling stone. However, for me personally, I've noticed that he's faced a lot of challenges, including losing his aunt, which in my opinion caused a downward spiral. At the time, he was quoted as saying he was just miserable. Plus, you know, there's that little spat that he had when he didn't qualify for the Olympic Games in 2021, which drew the ire of the Jamaican public. He has just seemed very unsettled over the years. However, trackies, I'm glad that Omar Mcleod is not giving up, because I believe he still has a lot left to offer to the sport. I mean, come on, trackies. He's a man that has run 12.90 seconds. He is our national record holder, and of course a Olympic champion, a world champion, and a world indoor champion. The only title missing from his cabinet is clearly the world record. And at 29, I believe again there's a lot more running in his legs. Trackies, there's one important point that I want to make though as it relates to this particular coaching switch. Now, back when Britany Anderson made the switch over to Coach Air, I noticed that she had gotten much better technically over the hurdles. And I remember before she got injured, I was so excited because I was saying, if Britany looks so good in the indoor season, I can't wait to see what will happen when she gets outdoors. Unfortunately, she picked up an injury, but from the early goings of what was happening there, you could tell that she was getting much better. Now, trackies, Britany Anderson has notoriously had a very, very poor start, but she has a phenomenal top end speed. However, trackies, what I noticed right at the beginning of the 2023 season was that her start was coming together. Yes, I mean literally right at the beginning of the season, she was on the cusp of breaking her personal best in the 60-meter hurdles. I mean, trackies, this is the fastest she has ever been opening her season. I'm talking about having a personal best of 7.82 seconds and opening her season running times of 7.83 seconds. So trackies, right at the beginning of the season, you could tell that this coaching switch was working, trackies. So now clearly this new coach Air has been able to work on a few areas that Britany Anderson has struggled with in the past. Now when you look at Omar Mcleod and look at the technical flaws he developed over the years, trackies, definitely this is one key area that Omar Mcleod to look at. He just ended up being messy over the hurdles, and that is not the Omar Mcleod that we were used to. So I'm thinking that this new coach Air may be able to get Omar Mcleod back technically sound over that 100-meter hurdles. And trackies are over the hurdles full stop. And think about it, trackies, if he's successful in doing so, a man that has already gone 12.90 seconds early on in his career, what do you think he has left in him? And I mean, at 29, he has his best years ahead of him, in my opinion. He's now currently in that glory period of sprinting. So I'm eager to see what will happen in 2024 with Omar Mcleod and this new coach, and clearly fixing his technical flaws. Anyway, trackies, you all sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Omar Mcleod has now made his 7th switch to Coach Air. Do you think he'll be able to get Omar Mcleod back on track mentally and physically? And do you think Omar Mcleod has any more to give in the sport in terms of getting faster? Do you think he can run faster than 12.90 seconds? Also, trackies, don't forget, like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.